Alright, so check this video out. Alright. This right here, my track bar that I put on, I bought from Rockland Auto, brand new. I put it on, installed it, is the problem I'm having with that noise. It's not this that my Uncle Tommy installed for me like 4 times, that some other idiot told me that was the problem. But it's kind of funny that it did quiet it down when he did install it, and then only 12 hours later it started making a noise again, which I don't understand why. This freaking boomerang looking thing, I can't see up there, but yeah, that one's fine. That one's fine. There's the other part of this boomerang thing. Yeah. So here it goes. I might have to take another video if it doesn't take it. But check it out. I'm underneath this thing. I'm gonna rock it. This thing's moving like a bastard. Oh shit. Alright. That's a better angle now. Ready? Watch this. Watch this. Get a grip on this diff. I'm gonna put this on the ground better so I'm not shaking. Check this out. Let me get this moving again. Like a prick. That's where all the banging and clanking and everything is coming from. This prick. Check the other side out. Check this out. Hopefully it's still recording. Check this. It's moving, but it ain't clanking. It's stiff. Yep, it's clanking on this side, not that side. So, sorry Uncle Tommy, I'll come give you the $50. I owe you.